Guys, to another video. As usual, I don't really got anything planned, but we're just gonna go ahead, drive around, see what's going on. But I hope you guys are having a good weekend. This is when I usually just film them. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. Hope all is good. It is 69 degrees out. Very nice out. This morning it was like 50-ish, but right now it's just very nice, very nice. I'm not gonna roll the windows down quite yet because it's still kind of windy. You know, for the morning it's still pretty windy, and I mean, for being 9 o'clock, there's a lot of people out. Well, right now we got a bunch of graduations and stuff, so that's why. But here, I'm gonna go ahead, give you guys a little pull. Just go ahead and make this illegal U-turn real quick, you know, just a little something. So here we go. So I will be having the 360 cam out soon. Right now I just don't know how to deal with like the wind and everything, because I do want to use it, except I don't like how like noisy the wind gets, because it just sounds god awful. And especially when I want to like how do I say this, get to hear the exhaust. So I just gotta figure out how that works. Some people said to add like this dead cat thing. I think that's what it's called, the dead cat, dead mouse, whatever it's called, the fluffy thing, to add that. But I'm like, won't that just fly away? Probably should get a car wash soon, so I'll probably do that later. I bought this new like spray for the wheels, makes them pop a bit more. So I think it'll be nice, because I'm not sure what color my wheels are. I think they're like some sort of like gunmetal gray, so it's not really like to the point where, because like black wheels, I mean, I guess you could do it, it just won't really pop as much with like colored wheels. I don't know. I rarely like take like the detailing, the interior exterior detailing serious. All I really do is just make sure that everything is wiped down here, cleaned, everything looks very nice. And then for the outside, I usually just wash the car either from Mr. Car Wash or the manual one, wipe it down, make sure that there's no water spots, call it good. I rarely add things to the wheels. I rarely add like any like conditioner or really anything, really. The only thing I add is I think it's called like a reflective like tire shine from Meguiar's. That's all I really use. But like as far as like wiping down my wheels and stuff, I really don't do that at all. That exhaust real quick. Can you hear the birdies? Let this car go a bit. Still pretty windy. windy. So let's go ahead and shut this off for a bit.